I've wanted to create a wooden wall map for a long time. I've noticed these maps are very popular, but I kept putting the project off due to the technical challenge. My laser cutter has a limited workspace, 400 by 600 millimeters, which means a large map has to be cut in multiple pieces. This requires perfect precision and a smart way to mount it on the wall. Recently, a friend asked me to make a map for her kids' room, and that was the motivation I needed to finally start. After testing a few designs, we've settled on the final version. The islands turned out to be a big problem. If you include all of them, you end up with hundreds of teeny pieces and an almost impossible assembly. So, what's the solution? I added an outer contour that brings them together while the real coastline stays engraved on top. The result, the same visual look, but with far fewer parts. As for the size, I let Eurasia dictate everything. I scale it to fit with 40 by 60 centimeters and built the entire map around that. After laying all the pieces on the floor, another important question came up. How will the customer install the map accurately on the wall? My first idea was to create a paper template, something you could tape on the wall and use to position each piece. But as you can see, the vinyl cutter ended up crumbling the paper. So I switched to self-adhesive film. It's more expensive but much more reliable. I also increased the gap slightly, about 2 to 3 millimeters, to make placing the wooden elements easier. So because this is our first map for wall, I need your opinion. Tell me which options you think is better. Like this is the first option when the map is glued to the wall directly, and options with distance from the wall. I decided to first make a test map just to see the real challenges. Here you can see how we apply the transfer film, then remove it together with the vinyl and place it on the wall. These steps, it's a bit tricky, so it's best to have two people. I am not trying to stick it perfectly, since I'll be removing it shortly anyway. Here I am attaching small spacers made from 6mm plywood. I found it works best to apply the double-sided type before cutting the circles. I glued them to the wood using wood glue and to the wall using double-sided tape. And here it is, my first wooden wall map. It wasn't easy, but I like how it turned out. I would like to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you.